Good morning and Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all are fine and enjoying good health. I am your English language teacher Ma'am Ikra Mushtaq, and today I will teach you action words. So what are action words? Action words are those words that show some action. Okay, just like I am writing, walking, eating, drinking, all are action words. Okay, so there is an action word list that is provided to all of you. Okay, the first word is swim. Okay, swim. I will ask the spelling from you. Swim. What are the spellings of swim? S-W-I-M. Swim. Okay, and how do you swim? Just like this, you swim in the water. Okay, so if I ask you to make an oral sentence of swim, how will you make an oral sentence? Okay, I swim in water. Okay, I swim in pond. In this way you will make some oral sentences. The next word is play. P-L-A-Y, play. Okay, you all play at home in parks as well. Okay, how do you play? You play football, you play cricket, okay, and many other games as well. Okay, play just like cricket. Okay, in this way you used to play at home. So P-L-A-Y, play. Okay, and if I ask you to make an oral sentence, you can make an oral sentence like I play cricket in the park. Okay, and the next word is cry. Do you know how to cry? What are the spellings of cry? C-R-Y, cry. And how do you cry? Oh, just like that. Okay, you all cry when you are not feeling well, and when your wishes are not fulfilled, you all cry. Okay, so these are the spellings of cry, and you will also make an oral sentence of cry. I cry in front of my teacher. Okay, in this way you can make oral sentences. So this is the proper way you are gonna to attempt your action words in your paper as well. So have a good day. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I am Huma Murtaza and I am also a language teacher, and today I will teach you how to describe a picture. This is a picture and I will tell you how you will describe this picture. First of all, see at the objects. What are the things present here? You can see there is one rainbow, there are 3 ducks, there are 3 cats, there are flowers, there are trees. First of all, this is the picture of a park. Now these are the objects. Second thing which you see here, what are the activities performed here? You can see this boy is jumping, these 2 fellows are running, this girl is sitting, the butterflies are flying, the ducks are swimming. Like this you will describe this picture. You can write the sentences and you can make the oral sentences as well. Okay, thank you very much.
Good morning and Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you all are fine. Okay, today I am going to teach you picture sequence. There are 4 pictures on the board, as you can see. They are unarranged. You have to put them in a proper sequence. I have written 4 numbers over there. You will find out the relevant pictures according to the number, and then you will paste them according to them. Okay, first let's find out picture number 1. Which will be picture number 1? This one? No, not this one. Okay, I think this one? No. Yes, this is picture number 1. Yes, take this picture from here and paste it near number 1. Yes, this is number 1, and there is a beautiful flower vase. Okay, let's find out picture number 2. Okay, which will be picture number 2? I think this one. Okay, this one is picture number 2. Paste it in front of number 2. This is picture number 2. A teddy bear is playing with a football. Okay, let's find out picture number 3 now. Okay, this will be picture number 3. No, this is picture number 3 exactly. So we are going to paste it in front of number 3. Yes. This is picture number 3 where the football hits the flower vase. Okay. And last one is obviously, as you all know, picture number 4. Yes, this is picture number 4 where the flower vase is broken. Okay, let's see the arrangement again. First, there is a beautiful flower vase. Secondly, a teddy bear is playing with the football. Then football hit the flower vase, and at the end flower vase is broken. This is called picture sequence. Okay, as you see around yourself, there are so many things. If the things remain in sequence, they look better and fine. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
Assalamu alaikum students. Now I will teach you comprehension passage, how you can solve a comprehension passage. Let's start. First of all, reading comprehension passage. What is comprehension passage? There is one paragraph, 4 to 5 lines, and there are some questions that are including from this paragraph. First of all, you will have to read this paragraph 3 to 4 times. Read this paragraph 3 to 4 times, then we will find out the answer of these questions from this paragraph. You don't need to learn anything. Let's start. Ben has 2 pets. First of all, this paragraph is about Ben. Ben is the name of a person, has 2 pets. He has 2 dogs. His dogs are Tim and Mutt. These are the name of his dogs. Tim is black and Mutt is brown. These are the colors of his pets. Ben takes them to the park. He takes them to the park. He runs and plays with them. What they do in the park? They run and play with his dogs. They have fun. Like this, they have fun in the park. This is the paragraph. We read it for 3 times. Now we will start to answer these questions. First of all, read the questions and search the answers from this passage. First is, who is the character in the story? Yes, we are reading this passage, and who is the character in the story? We read about the Ben. So Ben is the character in the story. This is the answer of first question. Second question, what kind of pets does Ben have? What kind of pets? We read that he has 2 dogs. Yes, this is the answer of question number 2. You didn't need to learn anything, you just underline the answer. You can take the answer from the passage and you will write the answer under these questions. Question number 3, what are the names of Ben's dog? Names, we read it in the paragraph. His dogs are Tim and Mutt. These 2 are the names of his pet animals. Question number 3. Question number 4. Where does Ben take his pets? Where does Ben take his pets? कहाँ लेके जाता था? This is the answer of question number 4. Ben takes them to the park. I am underlining these answers, but you will tell me what are the answers of these questions. Last question, question number 5. What does Ben and dogs do at the park? What does they do in the park? We read this. He runs and plays with them. They do it in the park. He runs and plays with his dogs. This is the answer of question number 5. Like this, you will read the paragraph, you will search the answers from this paragraph, and you will write it under the questions. Okay class, this is our today's lecture. Thank you very much.
Okay, dear student, this is the way you are going to attempt your English language paper. These are the 4 questions that will be included in your paper. Okay, comprehension passage, picture description, picture sequence, and action verbs. And we have taught you already how you are going to attempt these questions in your paper. So
don't be panic and attempt your paper in a very easy and comfortable way.
Okay.
Okay class, Allah Hafiz.